It bit your big toe.
It did not bite my big toe. I can't even talk. Stop it. Stop it.
Hey, Pear.
What?
Spikes up the butt.
Oh.
Hello to spikes up the butt.
Okay, that's it. I'm done. I'm done.
You broke it.
I told you if you sang that song again, I was going to stop.
You're not overreacting at all, Pear, really.
Overreacting? You want to see overreacting? Here's overreacting. Yeah, try and be unfair now, Sonic.
Pear. Settle down. Settle down. It's okay. It's okay.
No.
You know what? In situations like this.
What?
You know what really helps? You know what really helps?
What?
Spikes up the butt.